Hmm. In isomerism, there are multiple things which we have to do here. Now, first kind of isomerism is your structural isomerism, right? Hey, what is structural isomerism?
Molecular formula is same but different structures.
Okay. That means the structures are different, but the molecular formula is same. Because of that, these molecules will have different physical and chemical properties, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, fine. Now listen, structural isomerism. Now, in structural isomerism, we have different kind of isomerism. Namely, what?
Chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional.
Chain, position, functional, uh,
Functional.
tautomerism, ring chain isomerism. Anything I missed? Metamerism, right? Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And another part here comes out to be stereoisomerism, right?
Yes.
In stereoisomerism, what all we have? Acha, structural isomerism is also known as constitutional isomerism. And stereoisomerism, you have two types of isomerism. One is configurational, other is
Geometrical.
conformational. Like in configurational isomerism, again you have multiple isomerism, namely your optical isomerism and geometrical isomerism. Again, in geometrical isomerism, you have cis trans, EZ, and syn anti. Getting a point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what we'll do, we'll start with this one by one. We'll start with structural isomerism, right? Now, as you told me in structural isomerism, the molecule will have same molecular formula but different. But different
Structural formula.
structures. Great. Now listen, we do have here.
Structural formula.
Correct. Now we have chain isomerism. What is chain isomerism? The molecules in which
Belong to the same homologous series.
word root, that means number of carbon atoms in the main carbon chain are different. एक और चीज है इसके अंदर which you should remember, that if the molecules have difference in the side chain, then also it is known as chain isomerism. For example, if you see a benzene, right? In benzene, I do have dimethyl benzene and I have ethyl benzene. Here, there is a difference in the number of carbon atoms in the side chain, right? Here in the side chain, I'd have two carbon atoms. In the side chain, I have one carbon atom. So this is also a part of chain isomerism, which generally no one covers. Getting it? This is another definition of chain isomerism. Otherwise, the definition you already know. What other definition you already know? You have pentane. You can take isopentane, and you can take neopentane. Now the main thing is when you do the nomenclature of it, in the main carbon chain, there will be like 5 carbon atoms. In the main carbon chain, there will be like 4 atoms. So word root is different. In the main carbon chain, you have 3 atoms. Getting my point? So when the word root
Yes,
is
sir.
different, then you have your chain isomerism. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Very good. आगे चलें? Understood that part? Yeah. Now listen.
Yes, sir.
So either there's a problem, either there's a difference in the side chain or the word root. Both constitute your chain isomerism. Okay. Now after that, other things are very simple. You have position isomerism. What is position isomerism? They should have same word root.
The molecular formula remains same. Only the position of the functional group changes.
Or the substituent, right?
Yes.
Now understand they should have same word root. Matlab the number of carbon atom inside the main carbon chain should be
Same.
same. Now the difference occur in the position of the substituent, right? Now for example, I have butane. On the first carbon I have butanol. On the second carbon I have OH. So the position of the main functional group is, or position of the functional group is different, or position of any other substituent is different. You know, right, that double bond is also counted as a functional group. Again, this is a position isomerism, the position of a double bond. Now understand one thing. You have 2-methyl pentane, you have 3-methyl pentane. The position of the substituent is different. So these all are examples of.
Position isomerism.
Achha, what about this? Suppose I have one carbon atom here and in this case I have kept one methyl group over here. What is this?
Position.
Very good. They are
Position isomers.
same molecules. They are not isomers. कैसी बातें कर रहे हो? They are same molecules, right? Isomers कहाँ से हो जाएंगे? Just rotated by 90 degree, right? You'll get the same thing, isn't it? They are not isomers. They are same molecules, right? अरे हाँ या ना? अरे yes or no?
Yes.
हाँ. और what about this?
Chain.
They are
Chain isomer.
they are position isomers, right? Because the position of the methyl group here differs, correct? What is the nomenclature of this molecule, the above molecule? I knew that you will get confused. What is the nomenclature of this molecule? Methyl cyclobutane. Numbering will start from here. Here also numbering will start from here. It will become methyl cyclobutane. So they are the same molecule, right? Here 1,1
Yes, sir.
dimethyl cyclobutane, 1,2 dimethyl cyclobutane, 1,3 dimethyl cyclobutane. The position is different. If the position is different, the molecules are known as
Position isomers.
understood. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Very good. आगे चलें?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next case is functional isomerism. What is functional isomerism? Yeah. Functional isomerism.
Function group is different.
The functional
Same
group is
word
different.
root, different.
Uh-huh. See, I don't have to care about the main carbon chain. I don't have to care about the position. I should know that the nature of the functional group should be same molecular formula, but nature of functional group is different. And you should know that double bond and triple bond also considered as functional groups. For example, I have buta 1,3-diene, or I can have but1-ine. So what is the relationship between these two? They are
Functional isomers.
exactly. Now suppose if I have a ketone, I can have C double bond C OH C C. I can have C double bond C C OH C. I can have C double bond C OCC. I can have C double bond O CCC. That means here I do have an aldehyde. Here I have a ketone. Here I have a double bond, there's a pi bond over there, and an alcohol. Here I have an ether, unsaturated ether. Here I have again unsaturated alcohol. Now tell me, this is an example of functional isomerism, right? Because molecular formula is same, but there is a difference in
Structure.
functional group, right?
Functional group.
Exactly. Now understand one thing: ketone and aldehyde, they are same functional group or different functional groups?
Different.
So are they functional isomers or not?
Yes.
Acha, this alcohol and this alcohol, are they functional isomers?
No, sir, the position.
They are position isomers.
No, sir, they are position isomers.
Exactly, they are position isomers. What about this alcohol and this ether?
Functional
Functional.
isomers.
Ether, aldehyde, and ketone, functional isomers. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen to it properly. Very important thing which you have to discuss over here. Listen, whenever you draw an isomers, right? First we'll finish this up. Function isomers के बाद क्या लिखा है? Metamers, right? Metamerism. Now tell me, in metamerism, what is that? The structure isomers in which the nature of alkyl group which is attached on the both sides of functional group is different. Agreed? This is observed in a molecule where you have what to say, a particular functional group where both the sides and alkyl group can be attached. Getting it? For example, you can take ether, oxygen. You can take NH group. You can take ketone. You can take ester. In ether, there are two kinds of alkyl group which can be attached on both the sides. Getting it? And secondary amine, again there are two types of alkyl group which can be attached from both the sides. Ketone also have two types of two alkyl groups attached to it. Ester also can have two alkyl groups attached to it. Any doubt?
No,
You
sir.
will say that, sir, we can take amide also. Secondary amide, we can take it. R1 and R2. Getting it? So these are the functional groups which actually show
Metamerism.
metamerism. Understood? Now understand how exactly it works. Now let's say I have प्रोपाइल इथाइल ether. ठीक है. Now what I'm doing here, I can change the nature of alkyl group, attach on both the side of the ether. It will become methyl butyl ether. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Very good. Now you can do one thing. Instead of propyl, you can take isopropyl group attached to it. Correct? Instead of butyl, you can have isobutyl group attached to it. Getting it? So, one second. Yeah, you can have isobutyl group attached to it. So, all of these molar